And so we've already talked about Faraday that invented the electric generator to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. And it consists of a number of wire loops rotating freely in a magnetic field. And when the velocity of the loop is perpendicular to the magnetic field, a current I is produced by induced electromotive force, which is the potential difference given to charges. And it is at its greatest. So it reaches a maximum value I max. For an alternating current generator, the electric current inverts its direction each half spin, as shown in the figure. Here the graph shows the values of V and I against time. Can you see that the graphs for both V and I are sine curves? They both vary sinusoidally with time. We say that V and I are in phase. And this is because the potential difference and the current rise and fall together. What is the period of an alternating potential difference? It is the time of one complete cycle. And what is the frequency? It is the number of cycles per second. Here you can see the peak values V0 and I0. If we need to measure the size of an alternating potential difference or current, we need to use the effective value, which is called the root mean square value. So in fact, the root mean square is equal to the peak value over radical 2. So, for current, it is I RMS is equal to I0 divided by radical 2. Or for the potential difference, it is V RMS is equal to V0 divided by radical 2. And to find the power, we multiply the current by the voltage. So, P equals I RMS multiplied by V RMS.